Hello, my name is Key Ballers, and I'll be talking to you about AI in education, how AI is currently affecting our education system, and how it could affect our future. Currently, AI is everywhere, or at least overnight, it seems to have engulfed into every marketing place around the country. We hear about it in our politics. Every new modern tech tool says AI generation is utilized. Even with the company I work for, we've started using AI in some of our simulation work. I want to see how AI is going to affect the way we learn and how we learn and how teachers teach. So I decided to dive into how does AI actually work and how is it influencing our students. The first thing I did was write a quick prompt to ChatGPT. The prompt was write me a short essay on how the effects of slavery influenced the book The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and how this relates to today's world. I did this in regular ChatGPT, and I got what at first I thought was a fairly good response. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain subtly reflects the enduring impacts of slavery on society despite not being the central focus of the novel. Through characters like Uncle Jake and Jim, Twain depicts the lingering remnants of slavery in the post-Civil War era, shedding light on the continued struggles and prejudices faced by freed individuals. The societal norms of racial dynamics portrayed in the book resonate with the enduring legacy of slavery, mirroring today's systematic racism, social inequalities, and the ongoing struggle for equity and justice. Twain's work serves as a reminder that the echoes of slavery persist in contemporary society, influencing systematic issues and shaping perspectives, highlighted the ongoing battle of social justice and equality. And I read this and I thought something is missing. But what is it? And why is this not a good piece? And I started to realize it has no evidence. It says the same thing multiple times around, but it doesn't actually prove or go anywhere. It just makes a well sounding statement. This is not what we call good writing, but this may get you a decent grade on a really simple assignment, or at least make it seem like you have read the book or understand something about how slavery affects modern Americans. Much like the reaction to the printing press, due to the ease of use and availability of this new technology, people are frightened. Every day I hear students asking, will AI kill our job opportunities? Government officials are scared that AI will be used to create security breaches within our national systems, and I believe most aggressively, teachers are terrified of how they are going to teach and how they are going to prevent what they call cheating. There are many benefits to AI in our school systems. The first and most obvious is that students can get customized lessons that adapt to the students' learning techniques and speed. Another benefit comes in the form of developing custom lectures for teachers with real-time adjustment that reflects the students' needs. This can come in the form of auto-generating answers to the questions that have already been asked. It also could provide real-time feedback for teachers so that they may be able to adjust how they are presenting to better suit the students' needs. These are just two basic examples of how AI can be incorporated, but there are drawbacks to using this technology. One of the largest downsides to AI is what Kayla Dondrea is dealing with in this very moment. Mrs. Dondrea is a special needs teacher at Bridgeland High School. During an interview, she expressed that not a single assignment could be sent home because she would just receive ChatGPT responses back. You may ask, why is this a problem? Well, she explained that students who rely too heavily on AI software to get their work in don't actually learn the material and therefore end up behind at the end of the semester. By the time they hit senior year, they don't even understand grammatical basics. Another issue that we have run into is that ChatGPT always gives convincing answers, but does not always give factually accurate answers. therefore becoming an unreliable source at a basis. The final problem we see with AI tech is time. A group of software engineers determined it would take a team of engineers about 100 hours to complete 1 hour of assignment. Not only does it take time to create the assignment, it takes time to teach the instructors how to utilize this new technology, and then more time to train students on how to take advantage of this technology without falling victim to several of the other costs that come with AI. This is how we know the conversion to AI learning will not happen overnight. And like Google, by the time we really figure out how to use it, a new, more sophisticated technology will have come about. And I have no doubt that this new technology will have its own set of challenges to overcome. AI is here to stay, but what can we do? How do we deal with the challenges that this new technology puts in front of us? We adapt. We must start training existing and new teachers on how to benefit from AI. We must educate students on the risks of AI. Developers must come up with new systems designed to utilize AI in a productive manner. This means not just giving the students the answers, but developing AI systems that teach the students. If you are a student, I recommend you use AI, but learn its limits and faults. If you are a teacher, take advantage of this new technology rather than fight it. If you are a developer, know that giving someone the correct answer is only a small piece to the education puzzle, and we must create systems that utilize the whole puzzle. The world can be a better, smarter place with AI, but only if we do it right. Thank you all for listening, and I hope this relieves some of your worry about how AI will change our education system.